Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a really interesting opportunity to make some money online. Okay, this is going to be something which is really sustainable and get you on money for a long term. Okay, but one thing which you need to understand before watching this video is that this is a serious money making strategies. Okay, which I'm gonna reveal to you in this video. It may take some time, but this can earn you a full-time income. So if you really want to quit your 9 to 5 job and become an online marketer in 2020, then you should watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you 6 of the interesting strategies which can make you affiliate commissions on autopilot. All you need to do is put in the work once and reap the fruits forever. Okay, so now let's go and start. So the first type of category is this. Okay, this is a motivational YouTube channel. Okay, so what this guy does is that he creates this type of motivational videos. Okay, now many of you may be saying that I don't know how to create this type of videos and all that stuff. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I understand. Okay, so now to create this type of motivational videos, first you need to have this type of let me show you one of the video and I will tell you. Okay, so you can see there is an ad running in this video.
YouTube
so this channel is monetized.
Creators online, but as more people flood to the platform.
So you can see there are some stock videos which are running in the background of this video, and someone is just placing a voiceover on this video. Okay, so that's the first thing. So you can get this type of stock videos on the website such as pixels.com. Okay, so you can get this type of stock videos, and the next thing which you have to do is get a script. Okay, so you got the free videos, now you have to make a motivational script. Okay, so where do you get a motivational script? I want you to make the voiceovers yourself, because I don't want you to waste money in the starting. So have the voiceover, do the voiceover by yourself. All you need to do is have a script in your hand and read it loud. Okay, and just record that into your mic or your computer, and that's it, and that's okay. So that's what you need to do. Or you can create a voiceover just by recording your voice on your smartphone. So just read the script in your smartphone and this type of video of yours can be created. Now to write this script, you can hire someone on Fiverr who will write a 2000 word script for you in just $10. So you can just hire someone to write a script for you, or you can just read 5 to 10 articles based on the motivation, and you can also write a 1000 to 2000 word script all by yourself. And you need to post some motivational music in the background, and that music you can get from YouTube audio library. Okay, and you can create this type of motivational videos, and these videos get a ton of views. Okay, and you can see this is a big channel and it gets 1.5 million views, 1.5 million subscribers, and all his videos gets up to you can see 138k views, 289k views. So that's awesome amount of money which you can make. And you can also earn money with affiliate marketing, because you can promote products which are related to self-help. Okay, so there are many of the products available which you can promote in the category, because you can promote clickbank products which are related to self-help. Over here you can also promote courses which are related to self-development, which are available on Udemy. So you can promote Udemy courses as an affiliate with this type of videos. So these two are the best monetization things which you can do. Okay, and the third source of income would be your AdSense. Okay, so you can earn revenue with 3 sources of income just by creating this type of channel. Now the second type of channel is this type of Lifehacks channel. Now the best thing about this type of channel is that you just have to use some equipments which are available at your home, have a bright colored background. Okay, have a bright colored table, and just you can create this type of videos utilizing that. But if you don't want to make this type of videos, you can just go to fiverr.com and hire someone who will create all this type of videos for you at a very low price. Okay, and all you need to do is get the videos from them and start uploading those videos to your YouTube channel, and you can see that this type of videos get a ton of traffic. Okay, really a ton of traffic. See, 1.5 million views, 1.3 million, 705k views. So you are gonna get a lot of money just by creating this type of very simple videos, and these videos get a ton of views, and these videos can earn you a lot of money. And you can earn best money with two of the sources with this type of channel. The first source is going to be your merchandise. Okay, and yeah, you can sell your merchandise, and the second source is going to be YouTube's AdSense, so you can monetize your videos. Okay, so these are the two best sources with which you can earn money on this channel, on this type of channels, because they get a lot of views. Now the third channel is known as 10 best ones. Okay, so all this you need to do is, you don't need to show this your face like this guy is doing. All you have to do is just find out 10 cameras on Amazon, download the pictures of those cameras. Okay, now make a compilation video and just talk about some of the specifications of those camera as a voiceover in the video. Just make that compilation 5 minutes or 10 minutes long, upload it to YouTube, and then you have to provide in the description. Let me show you this video and you will understand what I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so you can see that. So see, there are just some random images of some gadgets over here, and see, you can see that he is just talking about the gadgets, and he is telling that this camera has this many megapixels, or this type of lens is there in this camera. Okay, so he is just talking about all this five type of cameras and their specifications. And the best thing which he is doing is that he is promoting this product as an affiliate. Okay, so if someone goes to Amazon with this links and buy this particular stuff, then he will get a commission. Okay, or anyone goes to clicks on this Amazon link and buys anything in 24 hours, then he will receive a commission. That's the best thing about Amazon affiliate marketing. So you can see he has posted over links to other countries. So UK link, Europe links, Germany links. So you can see you can target multiple countries with this type of videos. So this type of videos are also really easy to create, and all you need to do is just find out bunch of Amazon products, download the images of those products, create a compilation videos, add some voiceover. Okay, no need to add any great voiceover, just a little bit of what are the specification and the name of the product. That's just the voiceover, and then you can start making money, because you are gonna earn with two streams. The first stream is going to be affiliate marketing, and the second stream is going to be YouTube AdSense. Okay, now the third type of channel is relaxation music, meditation music channel. Now you just have to paste a copyright free image which you can get from pixabay.com, pexels.com, and all you need to do is get music from YouTube audio library, which is absolutely free copyright music. Thousands of tracks are available on YouTube music library. Just take an image and then take the copyright free music from YouTube audio library, combine them into a video, and then upload them to YouTube, and that's it. You are going to start make money with this type of channels. These are just money making machines, and these channels can earn you a lot of money. So you just have to take an image, take some music, and then just create a video, upload to YouTube. Okay, now that's the easiest thing which you can ever do, and this can earn you a lot of money. And as well as you can also promote products which are related to relaxation on this type of channels. Okay, so you can just go to ClickBank and find relaxation or meditation product, and just share the affiliate link in the description, and you can promote those type of products with this channel, as well as earn money from YouTube AdSense revenue. Now the another type of channel is this channel, okay, which is knowledge based. I have just recently created a video on this channel. So what this channel does is, it does create simple 1-minute videos about how to delete your profile picture from Facebook. Okay, how to insert page number, how to change your Facebook page URL, change your Facebook email, and all this really easy stuff which almost everyone just knows, or how to just upload a picture on Facebook, how to upload a picture on Instagram, how to make a story on Instagram. Okay, this simple videos are just created by you, okay, which you are doing every day, and you can just create that type of simple videos and start uploading those videos to YouTube. And you can see this guy is just uploading this kind of simple videos, and he is making AdSense revenue with all this type of money, with all this type of channel, as well as he is doing affiliate marketing. Okay, he is promoting a VPN product. Okay, VPN is something, software which just helps people to have protective search. Okay, so that's something which you can also promote with this type of channel, that is VPN, as well as you can earn money with affiliate marketing, and you can also earn money with YouTube AdSense. Okay, now let's go to the next, and this is an Indian channel. Okay, now what this channel does is that you can see that, see, this is an Indian channel, and in this channel what this guy has done is that he is giving, okay, so best workout, best bicep workouts. So now the ad is playing, so this channel is definitely monetized. So you can see that he is just having some of the images and some royalty free clips in the background, and he is just showing that what are the top 5 exercises. See, so this is the first exercise, okay, which he is showing. You can get stock images of this type, or stock videos of this type of people. Okay, and the second is the incline dumbbell curl. Okay, so he is just giving a small voiceover, just taking the name of the exercise which this person is doing in this video. And you can also create this type of very simple videos, just top 5 exercises to reduce belly fat, top 5 exercises for bigger biceps, or top 5 exercises to get slim, top 5 exercises for men, top 5 exercises for women, top 5 leg exercises. All this type of videos you can create. And the best thing about this type of videos is that you can also do affiliate marketing with this type of videos, and you can earn a lot of ad revenue from these videos, because this is a really high CPM niche. Okay, and that can make you up to $5 just for 1,000 views. As per my experience, this type of channel just earn $5 per 1,000 views in just YouTube ad revenue. And plus you can do affiliate marketing of ClickBank products which are related to health and fitness on these channels, and make a lot of money. Now you can create this type of channels in any language. You can see this channel is in Indian language, so you can also create this type of channel, and this type of channels can earn you a lot of money in affiliate marketing as well as ad revenue. So these are some of the categories for those who are serious and want to do affiliate marketing for a long term, and for those who want to skip their 9 to 5 job and have an online business, okay, absolutely full time, and make money from the comfort of their home, enjoy time with their family, travel the world, and do all the best things which they can do to enjoy the life. Okay, I want you to enjoy your life. I want you to get out of that 9 to 5. So just get serious, take action on one of the strategies, and you can really make a lot of money in 2020. These are some of the trending things that can earn you a lot of money and make you skip your 9 to 5 jobs. All you need to do is take action. But if you are not going to take action, you are always going to be stuck in that 9 to 5 job, which probably most of the people hate in this world. Okay, that's the reason why I am creating these videos, because I don't want to let you work in this 9 to 5 job. I have been working in a 9 to 5 job some years ago, and I was so frustrated, and I just got out from that job and started an online business. Okay, and now due to this business, I never need to go to any of the jobs, and that's something which has happened to me, and I want this to also happen to you, and you can start making an online income, full-time online income. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Until then, you can check out other videos on my channel, and Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you got some awesome value from this video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.